So this person right here has made $177,000 in the last 30 days with affiliate marketing and AI. It's mind-blowing and it's very easy to do. Nowadays, everybody can make money with affiliate marketing because of AI. And I'm gonna show you how this person is making that much money so you can replicate the method and you can start making some money with affiliate marketing as well as a complete beginner. This, what I'm about to show you, doesn't require any prior experience, any technical skills. It's very easy to do, and I know for a fact because I've been doing affiliate marketing for more than a decade now. So I'm at a website called Data. You can see it right here. This website gives me different statistics and stats on affiliate marketing using TikTok. Yes, we're gonna be using TikTok, but you don't have to show your face. You don't have to have an account on TikTok to get started. So bear with me, you're going to see how easy it is. So this is an account that I found on Data. It's called Health Utopia. So this person is making $170,000 a month promoting a product called, let me see how it's called, this one. View details, I'm gonna click it. I actually did research here and I found this product. This is Better Himalayan Salt something. It helps with your energy and something like with your health. And this product alone has made in the last, let's see, 30 days, $4.4 million for their affiliates. Basically, this is a product, you grab it and you promote it on TikTok. I'm gonna show you everything, don't worry if it's overwhelming right now. This person promotes, this person, the one I showed you, it's called Health Utopia. He or she is promoting this product, this Himalayan salt, with AI videos like this one. Look at this. All right. All right, it's very mind-blowing. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna click his account or her account here on TikTok. There we go. I'm gonna open this on a new tab. We're going to see their account. And as we can see, these videos that he or she, it's he, shows his face, doesn't have that many views. But the videos from AI, they have millions of views. This one has 3.1 million, 5 million views, 600,000 views. And this account doesn't have that many videos as well. They're like a bunch of videos, like 15, 20 videos, not that many. Yet he was able to rank so high in the TikTok algorithm because first, the TikTok algorithm is very robust and promotes new content. So the more content or the newer the content, the better. And TikTok has billions of users. So you have, as you can see, huge potential to rank. I know for a fact because I have an affiliate account on TikTok. And if you're a follower of my channel, you already know that I have a gardening channel on TikTok. But back in the day, we used to make the videos ourselves without using TikTok, without using AI. I had a lady, she would go and record videos herself for my gardening channel. Nowadays, I use AI to create these gardening videos. And here we're going to be using AI again to create these viral videos that you see in order to promote a supplement. This is basically health supplement, better health, boosting energy, etc. from the TikTok marketplace. So the first thing you need is obviously a product. And I already found this product, but if you don't like it, you can go here from Data, go to products. I'm gonna click products and you can find many different products. Now this tool Data is paid. It's a bit pricey, but I believe you have a free trial for a couple of searches or a couple of days, I'm not sure. And you can find many different products, affiliate products on the TikTok marketplace you can promote. And this is the one I found, as you can see here, Better Out Himalayan Shiwajit or whatever, $4.4 million generated. And I can see all the videos. We have even videos in Spanish. Can you hear that? Spanish AI videos. Look at this. Yeah. So I found this product. Then here it is. I found it on the TikTok marketplace and we can see different stats. Now, if you don't have the marketplace in your country, because TikTok marketplace and marketplace for affiliates is not available globally, that's fine because I have an alternative. So if you don't live in the US or the UK, you can always find a product that is a supplement or a health product, because health and supplement products work like charm everywhere, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest. And these health products are evergreen because people will always want to be healthy. People will always want to be in shape, will always want to either lose weight or gain muscles, or people will always want to cure their disease if they have any. So health niche, evergreen. Supplement products, great. If you don't have an account in the TikTok marketplace, if you don't live in the US, that's fine. You go to a website called clickbank.com, and from clickbank.com you can go to the marketplace here. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform that will give you affiliate products. You can promote and make money with them. So here we click health and fitness, and we can see all the products related to health, and most of these products are supplements. And here is the commission. We can get paid $120 per conversion, 125, 137, meaning if someone buys the product, this is how much we're gonna get paid. Now, keep in mind that some of the products on ClickBank are kind of crappy, so make sure you filter out the crappy products from the good products and make sure you're promoting something pretty good. Okay, so now let's go back to the Health Utopia TikTok account that I have found, so we can actually replicate what they have and make it for our own needs. Of course, we're gonna change it a little bit. And if you're worrying, oh, Ross, but I copy someone else, that's not good. No, you're not gonna copy someone else. You're simply going to change the content that they have and make it your own, or you're going to improve the content. And in reality, in marketing and affiliate marketing, that's how it is. Like, people will always find you and copy you. And to prove that, this is an account that makes these type of videos. But if I go to this the product page, I can see all the videos from different creators that they're kind of similar. This is in Spanish. This is also in Spanish. This is in English. This is in English, another one. Okay, so as you can see, there are people already doing that method. People are already copying themselves. Now, don't just copy exactly what you see. Just take it as a reference and improve it, which I'm going to show you how to do that right now. If you're a complete beginner, best way to make money, because like I said, TikTok prioritizes new content and you're gonna start ranking pretty fast. You might not start ranking, I don't know. I don't know your work ethic, I don't know your style of videos, but what I'm gonna show you is the exact thing that these guys are doing right here to make $119,000 in the last 30 days. And I'm gonna show you exactly the method this guy is using to make $177,000 a month with affiliate marketing on TikTok. So buckle up, because we're about to make some money. Now, after you have found a product to promote either on ClickBank right here or from the TikTok marketplace, in our case, I'm gonna take this product, the Better Himalayan Salt or something, this one. We need to first see what this product is about. It's a supplement, so it has minerals, it boosts your energy, it boosts your cognitive function and overall health. So now what we want to do, we first want to study this video that we have found. So we can either click this link and we're going to be redirected to TikTok. We're going to watch it. All right, so let's unmute it. I'm sorry.
If a man only ate Shilajit for 2 weeks, this is what might happen to his body. After 24 hours, his testosterone levels may boost.
Okay, it's gonna boost your testosterone levels, it's gonna boost your energy, it's gonna boost your overall health. Fine. So we wanna create script for this type of video, and for that purpose, I'm gonna be using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that will create everything for us. We don't have to worry about anything. Now, I'm using ChatGPT 4, which is a paid version. It's very robust. I love it because it gives me some more options. You should be fine using ChatGPT 3.5. I'm not sure if it's going to have the options to export GPTs because this is what I'm using. But if not, maybe you can use just the prompts down here below. So what I'm gonna tell the tool is to write me a TikTok video script about Himalayan, and I'm gonna start inserting keywords Himalayan salt and how this Himalayan salt boosts your testosterone, boost your energy. What else? Let's see what else. Cognitive function and improves cognitive function. Okay, I have so many typos, but bear with me. I'm going to just improve my writing, because I'm using Grammarly, by the way. I'm not promoting it, but yeah. So that's it. I'm gonna hit enter. Let's see what the tool. Oh, I forgot to tell the tool to keep it under 150 characters. So let's see. All right, the script is ready, and already I can tell that it's a pretty good one. For example, see the quick facts that the tool gave us, like the AI about the Himalayan salt, sourced from ancient seabeds in the Himalayas. This pink marvel is untouched by toxins and pollutions, packed with minerals, blah blah blah. And then we have boost your testosterone. Himalayan salt can naturally balance your body minerals, contributing to increase in testosterone levels, essential for muscle growth, energy, and overall well-being. So the next step is, once we have the script, I'm gonna go over to here, export GPTs, open link on a new tab, and I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna find a section where it says productivity. There you go, here. We're going to open two GPTs here. We need 11 WAPs. 11 WAPs is text to speech. Basically, this is what is going to create our voiceover. Let's open 11 labs like this, start the chat, and I'm gonna go back to our previous GPT, which is actually the script, and I'm gonna say, ever wonder what makes Himalayan salt something? Okay, let's dive in. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it right here. Ever wondered? Let's dive in. And then I'm gonna copy the second sentence. Let's see, source from blah 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 right here, and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna do it just to save time. I'm gonna hit enter. All right, 11 labs is now working, and it gives us names, or actually voiceovers. Which one should I choose? Jarvis, a classic male narrator, and I'm gonna say something simply number 2. So I'm gonna say I want number 2, hit enter, that's it, and it should understand. Hopefully, let's see if it understands. Yep, it starts the action. All right, I'm gonna click confirm, and this is our text to voice. There we go. As you can see, pretty fast. So let's click this.
Ever wonder what makes Himalayan salt not just a kitchen staple, but a miraculous health booster? Let's dive in.
I mean, it's pretty good, right? You see, in just a couple of seconds, we already have a voiceover, we have a script. And so guys, in order to create the video, we're gonna be using AI images plus AI image effects to make the images moving. So I'm gonna type here in the GPT's image. I'm gonna click image generator. I'm gonna click start the chat. And in the chat, we're going to prompt the tool from our script. What I mean by that, if we go back to the first script right here, this is the video script, right? We have the voiceover of our video script, but also we have visuals. Camera zooms in on a beautiful Himalayan salt swamp, emitting soft, warm glow, blah, blah, blah. So I copied this, but I changed it a little bit to fit our video that we found, which is this one with a black man, or man covered in black. You see, it's like covered in black paint. So what I did, I changed the text a little bit. Let me see. And here I'm gonna paste it. So create an image with a shocked man covered in black paint, sitting next to Himalayan salt lamp, emitting soft warm glow. The background is cozy with the hints of health and wellness decor. But actually I'm gonna remove that because we want a shocked man, because shocked images on TikTok perform very well. Something that is shocking, something that is unusual, like the man is angry and it's covered in black resin or paint. Like, what's going on? People will start wanting to understand and clicking this to see what's going on and keep watching. So this is an attention grabber, in other words. All right, so create an image with shocked man. Let's hit enter and see what the tool is going to create. Oh, guys, look at this. This is insane, yeah. Let's download this image. Okay, I'm gonna save it on my computer. Boom. Now I wanna ask the tool to give me another image, regenerate, or I can say, actually I can click this button to regenerate it. So I'm gonna click that. We already have this image. So now the tool is gonna create another one. Let's see how it looks like. So you see, we're creating kind of a pattern interrupt, but we are kind of positioning people to know, okay, it's something shocking, but it's something related to Himalayan salt. Because if you remember, our product, it's a Himalayan salt. Oh, look at this guy. Yes, he's kind of covered in oil, petrol. That's good, okay. So I'm on a website called genmo.ai, and this AI tool should create a realistic video based on our image. So let's click upload an image. I'm gonna upload this one, or actually this one looks better. Let's try this one. It's already JPEG, so let's see if this tool is gonna do some cool custom video design. All right, I'm in with this mouth open next to going rock. Camera motion, yes, we want motion. Zoom in, blah blah blah. Camera motion, I don't know. Roll, submit. Let's see. I don't know. I just played with these settings, so we'll see how that's gonna go. Okay, it's regenerating the image. Wow, that's so crazy. Like you see, like this is even crazier, like insane. This is way beyond what I thought this tool is going to create. Ooh, look at this. These are the final results. These are final results. So if you don't like the final results, you can always change the settings here. Camera motion, magical crystal, all of these settings you can generate or regenerate. But so far we look pretty good. As we can see, this image is kind of similar. Like it's just moving. There we go. So we have kind of similar image. And I'm simply going to click download to download this video, MP4. I'm going to download it right here on my computer. And the final step is to create or to add all of the images to the voiceover. Remember, we have the voiceover here.
Sourced from ancient.
Okay, so let's download this on my computer as well, so we can combine everything in one finished, completed video. And for that purpose, we're going to be using Canva, free software. I've been using Canva for so many years. We're going to be using Canva to create a design. Click here. We're going to say TikTok story video. There we go. Boom. And that's the TikTok video. And what we're going to do, I'm going to just click upload, left button. I am uploading the audio plus the video, and it's very simple to do. So let's wait for the video to be uploaded. Videos. There we go. And by the way, these are some of the videos that are for my gardening channel, as you can see right here. So this video is already uploaded, so place it right here. Boom, like that. There we go. And now we need the voiceover, which I have downloaded as well. Click, drag and drop right here somewhere. And now when I play this, it should be finished video.
Ever wonder what makes Himalayan salt not just a kitchen staple?
All right. There we go, almost finished video. Of course, you need to add all of your images here and the entire voiceover to the video. And you also can add music. So I'm gonna type mysterious music. There we go. So let's try to add this as well. Here we go. We should be fine. Now watch the final product.
Ever wonder what makes Himalayan salt not just a kitchen staple? Ever wonder what makes him?
Okay, that's your video. You just click share and you download the video and you start uploading it to TikTok. So that's about it. It's very simple, as you saw. We just create these images, we create the script, and we start uploading on TikTok to generate this kind of money. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be able to make that like $500,000 in the last 30 days all of a sudden, but I'm saying the potential is huge. And I know for a fact, like I said, because this is a proof from Carlo Data that some people are using it. Some people are making this right now as we speak. And I also have used TikTok for, like I said, my gardening channels, but without AI. I was doing like the hard work myself. Of course, you might wait a little bit. You might need some time for TikTok to start ranking your videos and you start getting potential traffic. If you don't want to wait, I usually use Facebook traffic with paid media with ClickBank, the social network, or actually the affiliate network that I showed you. And this is what I teach my private students. If you want to learn more about my private sessions and how I teach students to go from zero to a couple of hundreds of dollars per day using ClickBank, affiliate marketing, and Facebook ads, click the first link in the description. This is where my private training is. And quick disclaimer here, it's a paid training. This is a paid course that you can take in order to learn how to make quick money with ClickBank and Facebook. Other than that, click that link and I'll see you in the training. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. Until next time, cheers.